All right, good evening, everyone. Today is Wednesday, September 17th, 2014. Now, I posted this video on my Twitter and StockTwits, symbol LUV, this being Southwest Airlines. Now, I said I would explain this in a private video, and the reason is I don't really want this getting out there for everyone to see. So some of you guys that follow me or some of you guys that are interested in my YouTube channel, I'll go ahead and give this to you guys for free. So number one, I have a daily chart, and I'm looking at a 20-year daily chart. Now, the tricky part here is Southwest is at an all-time high. So trying to find tops here is very difficult because if I zoom out, look at the monthly chart, I don't have any other resistance levels to go off of. This only goes back to 1994, and that's it. So as you can see here, this broke out to the upside. This year it's had a monster year, and right now, like I said, we are at all-time highs. All right, I'll keep this very short. Hopefully it makes sense. So number one, I think what I'll do is I'll remove that line. Remove that line. I'm going to go through this again and show you guys what those lines mean. All right, so I've got two more here. I've got one here. And before I keep going, this is not something that I came up with. This was taught to me by someone else, so I do not want to take credit for this, but I do use it sometimes, and I think it's a great tool to use. So real quick, the blue line here is your 20-day moving average, and to me that's a very important moving average, of course, along with the 50-day moving average, but the 20 is always home, in my opinion. That's kind of why I use it. I use 20, 50, and 200-day moving average. So if we look, I'll just pick on this one here. Now, anytime price gets above the 20-day moving average, let's see, I think I'll use okay, so let's pick this one here. As you can see here, when price went above the moving average, it pulled back. Price went above the moving average, pulled back here, and here we are again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this high and draw a straight line down as close as I could get to the 20-day moving average at a 90-degree or a straight angle, vertical angle, I should say. Vertical line, I'm sorry. Okay, so as you can see here, when price moved away from the 20, it pulled back into the 20. Now if I take this line and I copy it, now the last time it happened was right here, and you could see, same distance. It's not exact, it's not, down to the penny, but it's very close. Now let's go back again. Let's copy that one more time. Here it got it. It didn't go as high as the line, but you kind of get the picture here. Once it extends a certain amount away from the 20-day moving average, this comes back home. So one more time. Now here it went a little bit higher, but like I said, it's not perfect. Here it almost nailed it right to the penny. You can see there it was extended, pulled back. So if I take this line again, now if I copy that and paste that here, let's take a closer look here. See, I'm right there at the 20, and yesterday, yesterday this made an all-time high at 34.70. Now, if I zoom in all the way, so if you use the line, the high of the line takes you to 34.68, and again the high was 34.70. So in my opinion, I have been calling for this to pull back. I think this should pull back at least to the 20-day moving average. My target is 31.54. So that's why I think this should pull back. Now, I don't think this is going to crash or anything. Let's be realistic here. This thing is still on a major uptrend. So all I did was connect the lows here, and that connects here, 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 and here. Until Southwest really breaks this uptrend line, which in this case would be around 30 bucks. That's when I think you'll see some big sell-off, a big sell-off on Southwest. So that's all I wanted to go over. Hopefully that makes sense. If you guys have any questions about this video, if you have any questions about the extensions here, feel free to send me an email. I do ask that you guys don't share this online with anyone. If anyone else is interested, please send them my way, or if it's a friend, go ahead and share it, but please don't post this online. This is kind of just for you guys to watch. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching.